In this, our final lesson of nesting, we will use our Patterns tab to review our patterns generated by nesting, generate code, and print out reports for all patterns generated. We will begin by clicking on a pattern and reviewing it using the pop-up window simply by clicking on the thumbnail window. We may also edit in a layout mode by clicking Edit Pattern. This opens up a layout screen for us to review and adjust within layout. Edit All Patterns opens up layout windows for every pattern generated in our nesting screen. We have the ability to save all patterns as layout files and generate code for all patterns. Using our nesting summary screen, we can review and see which algorithm was used, how many sheets were used, as well as a breakdown of how many of each individual sheet size were put in use. Below, we can list all the parts nested and their quantity. We also have the option of opening our patterns as part drawing PDG files, or breaking off a specific pattern into its own nesting job. Going back to generating code for all patterns, this will generate G-code using the standard default layout auto sequence settings, as well as our standard G-code options. Within the G-code screen, we can review our individual G-codes for each pattern, as well as a list of all patterns G-codes. If we wish, we can save the individual G-code we're reviewing with the Save Code As button. We can also save code for all patterns. We supply it with a base name and hit Save. Upon viewing the file saved, we will see that the base name was put to use, along with the counter or pattern number following it. These files can now be saved to a hard drive and run on the machine. Our final process is to print out our job report as well as reports for all the individual pattern layouts. We go to File and Print All Layouts. We choose the layout format for report, and we review not only the nesting report, which shows the overall patterns and material used, but also are able to review for each pattern. This concludes our nesting course. Upon completion, please proceed to the quiz taking module for your quiz and certification information.